really get to see very often in our neighborhoods and in the cities. This is called a barn owl, like an old barn that's on a farm. They get that name because they love to sleep in old abandoned buildings. It might be an old barn, it might be an old shed, but that's where they go to roost or to sleep during the day. Now, when you're looking at her, you're going to see a really cool owl feature that is very exaggerated. So look at her face, and you can see she's got that heart-shaped face, and it's all white on the inside, and then there's that dark brown ridge, and it's like a satellite dish. That's called her facial disc.